Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to automatically add numbers in Google Sheets. So first of all, before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you're gonna need to open up your browser and then you will go into this link google.com/sheets, and then when you will basically click on go to sheets, you will come to this page. Okay, so here you can see that we have the blank sheet over here, and if you want to add numbers, a sequence of numbers, okay, let's suppose if you want to add numbers from 1 to 20, so if you add it manually like this, it will take so much time. Okay, so what we will do here is basically we will just enter one formula here which will basically like do this. Okay, so you just need to enter equal to, then sequence, and then you can enter the number of rows, okay, for which you want these numbers. Okay, so let's suppose that you want 50 numbers to be added here in sequence. You will type 50 and here you go. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next one.